In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your QuickBooks invoice template. Whether you're sprucing up your invoices to match your brand, or you simply fancy a change, I've got you covered. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be navigating through QuickBooks like a pro, customizing invoices that reflect the uniqueness of your business. So, grab your coffee and let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get into QuickBooks. If you're already at your computer or using a smart device, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to log into your account. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot the Sign In button. Give that button a click and it will usher you into the Sign In page. Now you're on the Sign In page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is pretty straightforward. Type in your email address and the password you set up for your QuickBooks account. If you've forgotten your password, don't sweat it. There's a reset option, but that's a tutorial for another day. Hit enter or click sign in once you've entered your details to proceed to your QuickBooks dashboard. Upon successfully signing into QuickBooks, you need to navigate towards creating a new invoice. But instead of scouring through the menus, here's a neat shortcut. Click on the link provided here, which directly takes you to the new section within QuickBooks. This is a real-time saver and cuts down the clicks needed to start working on your invoice. The next step is crucial, as this is where you actually begin the process of creating an invoice. Again, for efficiency, click on the invoice link provided in this step. It's a direct way to jump right to the invoicing section without any detours. The interface that opens up is where magic happens, where transactions transform into professional-looking invoices ready to be dispatched to your clients. Remember, an invoice is not just a demand for payment, it's also a reflection of your business. So, make it count. Fill up the invoice details diligently. This includes information about the products or services sold, the quantities, prices, and importantly, the correct client information. Detailed and accurate invoicing not only minimizes confusion, but also builds trust with your clients. Now, for the star of the show, the moment you've been waiting for, changing your invoice template. Scroll down to the bottom of the invoice page and you'll spot the Customize button. Clicking this reveals a world of templates to choose from. This feature allows you to align the aesthetics of your invoices with your brand image. Browse through the options and pick a template that embodies the essence of your business. But remember, it's not just about a pretty face. The right template should also be functional, facilitating clear presentation of all invoice elements. Consider your industry and what information is most important to highlight. Whether it's a clean and simple look or something more detailed and intricate, QuickBooks has a variety of templates designed to meet diverse needs. Once you've chosen your new template, all that's left is to apply it. This might seem like a minor change, but it's these little details that contribute significantly to how your business is perceived. A well-crafted invoice can enhance your professional image and reinforce your branding. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your QuickBooks invoice template. It's a simple yet powerful way to customize your invoices, making every transaction a bit more personal and a whole lot more professional. Now, every time you send out an invoice, it won't just be a statement of payment, it'll be a reflection of your business's identity. Remember, the goal is to make invoicing as smooth and as pain-free as possible, both for you and your clients. QuickBooks makes this easy, but knowing how to leverage its features to your advantage is key. So, whether you're invoicing for the first time or the 100th time, keep exploring and customizing. The right tools not only save time, but also elevate your business in the eyes of your customers. Now that you know how to change your invoice template in QuickBooks, why stop there? Dive deeper into what QuickBooks has to offer and keep fine-tuning your business processes. Efficiency and professionalism go hand in hand, and with QuickBooks you're well equipped to handle both. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Here's to creating invoices that aren't just requests for payment but are also testaments to your dedication and attention to detail in every aspect of your business. See you in the next video.